Get ready for a stellar celestial event this evening that you simply cannot afford to miss. I say this not only because it will be stunning to watch, but also because it is extremely rare in that you would have to wait for another 400 years to see something like this. You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu, and today I will be telling you when, where, how and why you should not miss the Great Conjunction in which two of the largest planets in the solar system, Jupiter and Saturn, will come oh so close to each other. So when can you watch it? 1 hour after sunset between 6:30 and 7:30 p.m. Just look towards the southwestern sky. How can you watch it? Well, guess what? You wouldn't need a telescope or even a binoculars to watch the Great Conjunction simply because of how big and bright the two planets are. But if you do have a binoculars or maybe a small telescope, you will get to see Jupiter's 4 large moons orbiting the giant planet. When you look southwest into the sky this evening, what appears like a bright star is Jupiter, and Saturn, on the other hand, will appear slightly fainter and slightly above Jupiter to the left till the end of December 21st. Eventually, Jupiter will overtake Saturn and the two planets will reverse positions in the sky. Now the last question, where can you watch the Great Conjunction? NASA recommends that viewers should find a spot with an unobstructed view of the sky like a field or a park. Jupiter and Saturn are bright, so they can be seen even from most cities. So why should you not miss it? Well, for one, the celestial event is extremely rare, and as I mentioned, it's only once in 400 years that the two planets come so close to each other. While conjunctions between planets and stars happen often, the reason why this is called the Great Conjunction is because of the size of the planets. Factually speaking, a conjunction between Jupiter and Saturn happened once every 20 years. But the Great Conjunction this time will be special because of how close the two planets will be to each other. And this happens once in 4 centuries. The last time around this happened was in 1623. So what makes this year's spectacle all the more rare then? Well, it's been nearly 400 years since the planets passed this close to each other in the sky, and nearly 800 years since this alignment of Saturn and Jupiter occurred at night, as it will for this year, that is 2020, allowing nearly everyone around the world to witness this Great Conjunction. And just to give you an idea of how close Jupiter and Saturn will be, a pinky finger at arm's length will easily cover both planets in the sky. So don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime celestial event that you can see between 6:30 and 7:30 this evening. And do let us know in the comment section below how you enjoyed the Great Conjunction. Well, if you've liked the content that we have presented to you in this particular show, do not forget to like and share this video. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to TV9 Digital on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Many thanks for joining us.